That is it. So simple. Just add water and let's see what happens. I'm very curious. Hello, tiny reviewer friends. Today I'll be reviewing Mountain Home Adventure Meals. Breakfast skillet, shredded potatoes, and scrambled eggs mixed with pork sausage, peppers, and onions, freeze-dried. Just add water, ready in 10 minutes. No extra clean, no need to wash the dishes, which is what we always need to do in the morning. I don't like that. 14 grams of protein per serving. Oh, there's something on here. Don't try to make friends with raccoons. They will just charge at you, steal your food, and then laugh about it with their friends behind your back. Yeah, I'll never become friends with raccoons ever again. Nutrition facts and ingredients contains milk and egg. The preparation instructions are just very simple. Open package, add tier notch, which is this one. Remove and discard oxygen absorber. Carefully add 1 1/4 of cup boiling water. So we need to boil the water, not just plain water, boiling water. Stir carefully and close zipper. Wait 5 minutes, stir again, and reseal again. Let stand an additional 4 minutes. Stir and enjoy right out of the pouch. Okay, that's simple enough. Okay, so first off, we need to open the pack at tier notch. So I'll do that. We don't have boiling water, but we'll boil it. I'm getting there, okay? I'm getting there. I'm halfway, nearly halfway. Not positively halfway, kind of halfway. Too many halfways. There. Oh, remove the oxygen absorber. That is it. So simple. Just add water and let's see what happens. I'm very curious. So we got the boiling water in here. I cannot open it because that means we're breaking the rules because it says to close the zipper. So let's wait for 5 minutes and see what happens. I am very hungry and I can't wait now. I cannot wait for 5 minutes. Alright, so I'm back at the brown table. I always was. And here is, we poured out the breakfast skillet. Here's everything, like literally everything from the pouch, nearly. My dad's eating from the pouch. I'm eating from here. I want to use the spoon this time for some reason. It's hot, so be careful. I've actually ate this before, but I didn't review it. I'm actually eating it twice. It's really good. The good thing about this is that if you go camping, if you're like an adventurous person, you can actually take like a bazillion of these out to the mountains, and all you have to do is just boil water and just pour it, and you can just eat from the pouch. You don't need to have a plate or anything. I'm using a plate, but you can actually eat from the pouch. My rating is 4.5. It's really good. Everything is flavorful. Very, very good. Well, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the like button and meet me again on this brown table. See you again in my other videos. Bye!